Shoemaker, Shoemaker Guitar Works. I'm going to do an unboxing here. This is from TESI switch, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is because I ordered it, but we'll see here. I always like to do unboxings to reveal stuff, parts, whatever, cool stuff. Alright, so packaged pretty well. Ooh. They gave a nice little sticker. I always like the stickers. Little bag of candy, kind of like Sweetwater. And this is their black with red LED kill switch. So let's open it up and check it out here. If I can figure out where the, looks like it's on this side. Comes with the instructions telling me I need a resistor, so I'm gonna have to get a resistor because it can't just run off of 9 volts. Tells you how to wire it. They even give you a couple cool guitar picks. And then, oh, they even gave you the resistors. Nice. So there's an on and off switch. So you can turn it on and off. So if you leave your guitar plugged in, it doesn't kill the battery. And then the 2 little resistors. So it's got the battery leads and the positive and the ground, or the 2 wires that you use to back it up for the kill. Let me show you here. If I can get her out of here. This is going to go in this particular guitar right here. And then it's going to have a push-pull pot right here for switching pickups. So just wanted to show you guys this, and then this will light up red and kind of go with the red and black theme here on the guitar. But very well packaged, and I like the fact that they give you the directions. This is just an added bonus. I didn't know that this was coming with, so that's cool. So you get the switch, comes with the resistors, comes with an extra one even, which is awesome. And then your extra power wire. And that's about all you need to be able to wire it up. So anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. And you know, if I get cool stuff in like this, I like to do an unboxing, because let's actually see if there's anything underneath it here. Nope, just the packaging, so that's cool, or the packing slip. But you know, very well packaged, very nice little deal here, and that's why I ordered from these guys, and I've used them before, and it's always a good product. Before, they didn't give you picks or a sticker or even candy, so hey, that's an added bonus. But thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. You guys have a great day. I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, Allied Barber Supply. Before I started using Allied stuff, my wife hated my beard. She would always complain about it being prickly and itchy and whatever. Now she loves it because it's soft, it's smooth, and it smells good too. All of his products are handmade right here in Davenport, Iowa. Check them out, Allied Barber Supply, 1513 Harrison Street, Davenport, Iowa.